Hey, what is he playing? What the heck is he playing? This guy's nuts. How is Peter Lecco saying? But hold on. What the heck is going on, Anirudh? Bishop takes h3. But hold on, what the heck is going on? How bishop takes h3? Oh, for Christ's sake. Bishop takes h. Look, I'm going to tell you something. Nakamura probably, he was like myself in a state of absolute innocence. He was as innocent as myself. Like, what? Dude, what the heck is this? Can I, sorry, man, what's this? G takes h3. What are you going to do precisely? What? Dude, this is weird, man. How are you gonna get your queen or your knights or... Okay, this is weird as hell. This is so weird, man. Look, Anirudh, G takes... What? Queen b8. I understand. Can I just play a pathetic bishop f4 afterwards? Okay, you're gonna play something like rook, and then I'm gonna play something like queen.